D6 Finisher Overview and Maintenance. To replace staples on your D6 Finisher, locate the staple unit identified by the R1 label on your machine. Then squeeze the handle from the top and bottom, then pull it straight out. Now retrieve the staple cartridge from the staple unit by lifting it straight out. Note that you can only remove the staple cartridge when it is empty. With the new cartridge, insert it by first pushing the connecting protrusion into its slot in the staple unit and then pushing the cartridge downwards until it clicks. With the refilled staple unit ready, place it back inside the machine in the R1 slot. You should replace the staple waste container every time you replace the staple cartridge. To do this, locate the staple waste container identified by the R5 label. Slide the locking lever to the left to unlock it and remove the used waste container from the machine. Insert the new waste container bottom first, and then press the top in. Slide the locking lever back to the locked position to hold the new container in place. If you use the hole punch function of your machine, ensure to empty out the hole punch waste tray. To do this, first locate the hole punch waste tray, identified by the R4 label on your machine. Pull it out towards you using the handle, and then empty the paper waste into a bin. Slide the hole punch waste tray back into place.